Here are two Končar elevators. Here's the first one. There it is, okay. As you can see, inner doorless. Very nice. It looks like this lift is from the 80s, I don't know. Probably. Okay, so it has memory, yeah, as you can see. I'm guessing it will soon get some inner doors because this is not legal anymore. Looks like these. Here's the big elevator. This one has already got inner doors. And as you can see, it has these doors behind here. Same as the Daka elevator I found in Slovenia. So you can make the lift smaller with these doors here. Very strange. Looks like this floor here is original and this floor has been changed. Very strange. Oh, look at this, and you can see through these holes. You can see the shaft through those holes.